most people can find the largest element in an array. But when I ask this in interviews, find the second largest element, they struggle. They write code that fails on edge cases. Today I will show you the correct optimized way and the mistakes 90% make. Given an array, we need to find the second largest element present in an array. In this array, 20 is the first largest element and 11 is the second largest element. So our output should be 11. Simple, right? Not really. Most people do this. They sort an array and then return the second largest element, which is a of n minus 2. This approach has several problems. Sorting is unnecessary and this approach is slower, and this approach fails with duplicates. For example, if our input array is 10, 10, 9, then as per this approach the output will be 10, which is incorrect. The actual output should be 9. And what if array has only one element? And what if there is no second largest element? What if array has all same elements? So this approach is not going to work, and we need to handle all of these edge cases properly. Let's build logic step by step. We don't need sorting, we just need two variables. Variable first, int first, to hold the first largest element, and variable second, int second, to hold the second largest element. And to begin with, we will set the value int min for both of these variables, which is the minimum value of an integer number. First will hold the first largest element and second will hold the second largest element. If no second largest element is found in an array, we will return the int min value. Let's write the for loop to iterate through the array. For int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. There are three possible scenarios. Let's understand them one by one. First scenario, the array number is greater than both first and second largest element. A of I is the largest element in this case. So what should we do? In this case, we have the new largest element. So first will become the second largest element now. So second is equal to first. And our new first largest element is A of I. So first is equal to A of I. Let's write it quickly. If A of I is greater than first, then second equal to first and first equal to A of I. What is the second scenario? A of I can be in between the second largest element and the first largest element. What should we do in this case? In this case, we have found the new second largest element, right? So in this case, second will become A of I. Else if A of I is greater than second and A of I is less than first. In this case, second will become A of I. What is the third scenario? A of I is less than both second and first largest element. So in this case, we already have the second largest and first largest element, so we will do nothing. At the end of this loop, second will have the second largest element, so we return second. This code still has one problem. What will happen if our input array has these two elements, int min and 10? In this scenario, we can't distinguish whether array has a valid int min element or we are returning int min because we didn't find the second largest element. How can you solve this? Share your answers in the comment below.